Hello and welcome. I'm back to share another cool tech tip. Today I'm going to be sharing about this cool tech tool which I found out, which is powered by Google, of course, and it's called the Chrome Music Lab. Now, what does the Chrome Music Lab allow us to do? Well, it's simple. It allows us to create music, right? So the Chrome Music Lab, being an AI-based tool, it allows us to experience the sound visually. As you can see, the bright colors that are portrayed by the side is actually it's very appealing to the learner to experience sound and create rhythm. So what does it allow us to do? It allows us to create music. Along with that, it allows us to experiment with different rhythms. So as you can see, we can create a piano, we can create a song, we can create a rhythm, and there are a few other features which you can go and explore. So for example, if you want to create a song, so you can get into the song maker, and out of this only two experiments, that is the song maker and the melody maker, is something that you can share, create a link and share on WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter. So it's simple, right? When you get into the song maker feature, you can choose the aspect that you would like to hear. For example, if you want electronic, you want the tempo to be increased or decreased, you want marimba, or you want piano, or you want guitar, or you want the woodwind. So there are these different instruments which are given for you to choose and create your song. So let's say I choose the piano or the guitar. Let's choose the guitar, and I go and randomly click on strings to understand what is the sound that I'm going to hear at the end. And now that I'm done, I can even add my sound. So there is a mic given where I can add my sound, I can hum, I can sing, and then I can play to see how does it sound. So this is how it looks like. You can also involve your early learners, especially, to count with you as you create rhythm. So that also involves the aspect of counting. So this tool is a must for music educators, of course, and all the pre-K educators who would like to have some fun with their learners in the virtual classroom. Because I think, when you have fun, you learn a lot, and that's what learning should be all about. So with this, I would recommend every pre-K and music teacher to try this tool. And in case you want to stay updated and know more about such cool tech tips from us, then do sign up for the Teach with Tech Club. The link for the same is shared in the description below. Do join us as we plan to meet every month and share such wonderful activities, ideas, and tips with all of you. So let us learn to teach with tech. Till then, Rakhi Chabria signing off.